Hey everyone, this is Zach from Nocturne Labs, here to show you how anybody can get Windows 10 for free. The only caveat is that you have to have an existing PC with Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 already on it. And if you have that, then you can upgrade to 10 for free. So first you want to go to your favorite web browser. Mine's Google. It could be Firefox or it could be Internet Explorer. You want to go to google.com and you want to type in Windows 10 download tool. Okay, so this is going to give you the link to Microsoft.com and it's download Windows 10 disk image. It's the same link every time. As long as you go to Google, you'll get the same results. Once you click on that page, you go down to the Create Windows 10 installation media, and then you want to click the button Download Tool Now. When you do that, your tool will download. It's a real small file called a media setup, and you run that. You say yes because you want it to allow to make changes, and it'll start to boot up. All right, so it's going to get a few things ready. Sometimes this takes 5 minutes. Sometimes it takes 15 minutes. It really just depends on the speed of the computer that you're on. And if you're doing anything on the computer, right? So the best time to really do this is when you're not doing much of anything. So all your processing power can go to trying to get this Windows 10 setup rocking and rolling. After it's done getting a few things ready, you just have to accept the license and terms. And then it will get a few things ready again. So again, it's the same thing, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Really, again, depends on your PC. Finally, after Windows is done getting so many things ready for you, it's going to ask you what you want to do. You have two options. You can either create an installation media, which is for our advanced users only, or you can upgrade this PC now. So just hit next, keep it as the default, and it's going to start downloading Windows 10. Now, this progress is solely dependent on your internet speed. So the faster the internet speed that you have, the faster it's going to download Windows 10. The slower the speed, obviously, it's going to take a little bit longer. So you just give it a little time and let it download Windows 10 for you. Once Windows 10 is downloaded, you get this prompt which says ready to install. Now you can change what you want to keep, but most people like the default setting of keeping personal files and apps. And if that works for you, just click install. After you click install, you will get this blue screen and your PC will begin to install Windows 10. Now it can restart several times. You can cancel it, but what's going to happen is it's going to come on, it's going to go off, it's going to come on, it's going to go off. It's actually going to reboot your PC a lot. But once it's all done, you will have the Windows 10 operating system completely upgraded, and you will be running without having to pay for a license at all. Now, for those who are afraid that the Windows 10 upgrade may not work, Microsoft has done a very good job of, if there's an issue, even after it's rebooted 3 to 4 times, if there's an issue with the install, it will successfully roll you back to Windows 7, 8, 8.1, whichever you were on, without any issues at all, and it'll give you an error to explain to you why it couldn't upgrade to Windows 10. So to those who are worried that the upgrade won't work, don't worry. Because Windows does a good job of making sure that if it does fail, you can recover very easily, and it'd be like you almost didn't even do the install in the first place. So, as you can see, Windows 10 install, super easy to do. All it does is it just takes time for all the downloads and all the files. Once it's done, you're upgraded to Windows 10. You don't have to pay a dime. So, let me know if anybody has any questions. Thanks.